Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Greenfield School and College. Dear student of class 9, today I am going to discuss about some MCQ and CQ on chapter 1. These MCQ and CQ are very important for your upcoming examination. So let's go start it. At first I am going to start start some MCQ question and answer. So number 1, which soil erosion is responsible for decreasing soil fertility? Answer is rill erosion. Question number 2, how much moisture content should present in seed to use in the next season? Answer is 12%. Question 3, which crops should be cultivated to control soil erosion? Answer is groundnut and black gram. Now, what is the process of doing agricultural activity is called agricultural technology. Now, number 5, by applying more of which amount of soil becomes more soil granule? Answer is MP. Muriate of potash, MP. Number 6, in which area contour method is adopted? The answer is B, the slope of hill. Question 7, which is the main crop of area of mud soil? Answer is paddy. Answer is paddy. Now, how many items of module should one learn to produce seed? The answer is 7. Now question 9. In fish meal, protein contains 56.61%. Question 10. Which disease hampers large scale in potato plant? Answer is virus related disease. Virus related. Now question 11. When crop is harvested for seed from land, seed moisture content remains 18 to 30%. Which one of the following helps to grow fungus and insects in food? Oxygen. Number 13. Which of the following is more useful for making hay? And the answer is black gram. Number 14. When rice is harvested for seed from the field, there is moisture percentage is 18 to 40%. Now number 15. Which of the following helps in causing fungus and insect in feed? The answer is oxygen. Now number 16. The ideal pH level for wheat cultivation is 6 to 7%. 6 to 7 pH 6 to 7. Number 17. What type of soil erosion occurs in hilly areas of Bangladesh? The answer is channel erosion. Channel erosion. Now the ideal pH level for wheat cultivation is 6 to 7. Number 19. Of which season in transplanted almond a crop? Of which season in transplanted almond a crop? Answer is Kharif 2. How many methods of seed drying are there? Answer is 2. Where does soil erosion due to wind occur? Answer is Rajshahi. Which crop covers the soil? Answer A. Groundnut. Now 22. For preparing green manure, dhoincha should be mixed with the soil during which stage? Answer is before flowering. Which fish is vegetarian? Which fish is vegetarian? The answer is Sharputi. According to farmers' language, up to how much centimeter deep layer of earth's surface is called soil? The answer is 15 to 18 centimeter. How many agroecological zones in Bangladesh divided into based on the nature or properties of soil? Answer is 30. Now question 26. How many kathas of seedbed is needed for 1 bigha of land in our traditional measurement? The answer is 1 katha. Answer A, 1. Now, which soil not suitable for paddy cultivation? Answer is sandy soil. Which cannot tolerate excessive water? Answer is pulse A. Which one is Rabi crop? Answer is wheat. And now, how many purposes of tilling land are there? There are 6 purposes. How many types of seed dryer are there? Only 2. 2 types of seed dryer. Which one causes rancidity in food? Answer is oxygen. Which one is safe level of moisture content in seed during preservation? Answer is 12 to 30, 12 to 13%. In which area contour method is adopted? It is very easy. Answer is very easy. The slope of hill. The main reason of soil erosion in Dinajpur district in a particular time of a year is air, the nature of soil, the slope of soil. Which of the following is correct? Answer 1 and 2. Answer is 1 and 2 because air and nature of soil. Air and nature of soil. Question 36. What is considered for cultivating land? Types of crops, types of soil, weather. Which one is correct? Correct is 1, 2 and 3. All are correct. Read the following passage and answer to the question nongs 37 and 38. No harm occurs if Goni Mia's land is flooded by rain. As soil of the land of Boshu Mia is clayey and heavy, soil erosion occurs during rain. During rain. To answer the question 37, what type of soil is the land of Goni Mia? Sandy loam soil. Answer is sandy loam soil. Now, reasons of soil erosion of Bashu Mia land are less porosity, less water absorption, less water retention. Which one is correct? The answer is all 1, 2 and 3. Now I am going to start creative question from this chapter. These creative questions are very important. Read the passage. In this year, Mr. Kobir got more yield to cultivate Ufshi variety of rice. He dried some of rice seed in the sun for 2 days and preserved them in sacks. In the next year, he took out some seeds from the sack to produce seedlings and found some insects attacked the seeds. After performing germination test, he found that the seeds are not germinated. He became worried. By consulting agriculture officer, he came to know that the seeds are not preserved correctly. Now question A. Which soil is suitable for potato cultivation? Answer is, for potato cultivation, loomy and sandy loam soil are suitable. Loomy and sandy loam soil are suitable for potato cultivation. In which soil erosion does the use of agricultural equipment become problematic? The answer is, real land erosion makes use of agricultural machineries difficult in soil. Real soil erosion is the second step of sheet erosion. Due to heavy rainfall, several long, narrow lines are formed along the slopes which looks like hand ribs. The narrow lines eventually become larger in length and width. By the flow of rainwater, fertile soil is removed from the land. Thus, the land loses its fertility and it becomes difficult for farmers to use agricultural machineries. Now go to the question C. What activities should be performed to produce seedlings currently for the seeds of Mr. Kobir? Explain. The answer of C is Mr. Kobir needed to dry the seeds properly for preservation for adequate germination. For lowering the seed moisture content at 12% to 13%, seeds needs to be dried under the sun for 3 days. Moreover, to preserve seeds vitality and quality, seeds should not be dried in adequate or too much heat. The seeds preserved by Mr. Kobir received excessive heat in the first 2 days, due to which they dried up and their validity was reduced. Thus, this also reduced germination capacity of seeds. Even the quality of seeds was destroyed due to the pest infestation. Thus, it can be said that the proper germination for the proper germination, the moisture content of the seeds needs to be at a standard level. Now, question D. Give your opinion regarding the suggestion of agriculture officer, either it was correct or not. The agriculture officer gave advice regarding the seed not being preserved well. The main task of seed preservation is to remove excess moisture content from the seeds. To ensure standard moisture content, the seeds needs to be dried for 3 days in bright sunlight. But Mr. Kobir dried his paddy seeds for 2 days. To test if the seeds are dried properly or not, if one bites into a seed, there will be a crackle sound. To protect seeds from the pest infestation, neem leaves and neem roots can be placed in the sacks with the seeds for preservation. Mr. Kobir didn't do that either. As the seeds were not properly preserved, the seeds were attacked by pests and were not germinated in the germination test. Thus, it can be said that the advice of agriculture officer was accurate. Question 2. Khalid Mia took suggestion from Upazila livestock officer because of his cattle farm was not profitable. The, the livestock officer advised him to feed urea molasses straw as officer's suggestion. Suggestions he took necessary steps and the farm become profitable. Next, question A. What is the hum pulling? Answer of question A is to uproot the part of a tree above the ground is known as hum pulling. Question B. Algae is a nutritious feed. Why? Answer is algae are most prospective nutritious animal feed which may be used as the replacement of various protein rich feed like oil cake, fish meal, etc. Algae contain 50 to 70% protein, 20 to 22% fat and 8 to 26% carbohydrate on dry matter basis. Besides, enough vitamin C and various types of vitamin B are available in algae. That is why algae are called a potential nutritious food. Food, not food, is feed. Potential nutritious feed. Now answer. Now question is, how Khalek Mia made urea molasses straw? Explain. Khalek Mia prepares molasses mixture straw for the cattle of his farm. He follows the method mentioned below for producing the item. Ingredients: 1. Straw 20 kg, 2. Urea 1 kg. Number 3 ingredient is water 20 liters. 4. Number 4 ingredient is a medium size pot. Fifth ingredient is gunny bag, and sixth ingredient is thick polythene. Preparation method: at first he mixes 1 kg of urea with 20 liters of water in a bucket. Then he coats the dough large hollow basket with a mixture of cow dung and clay and dries it. After that, he sprays urea solution over the straws, placing them gradually in the dough. After placing all the straws treated with whole urea solution in the dough, he ties the open ends with gunny bags and thick polythenes. After 10 days, he takes out the straw, dries them in the sun for preservation. The livestock officer advised Khalek Mia to feed the cattle of his farm urea molasses straw. Along with conventional care, special care is necessary to make the livestock farms profitable. For instance, cattle need to be fed special nutritious feed along with the conventional ones. One such special feed is urea molasses straw or urea molasses block. If these special feed are given to livestock, it helps in rapid growth of the cattle and makes them healthy. Production of milk also increases. This increases production of the farm, resulting in profit for the farmer. As Khalek Mia's farm was not making profit, the livestock officer advised him to feed his cattle urea molasses straw. As he started to follow the suggestion of the livestock officer, along with taking proper care of his cattle farm, started making profit. Thus, the advice given by livestock officer was logical. Now, creative question Nong 3. Most of the soil of Bangladesh are light and cultivable. According to the soil structure, nature, 30 agroecological zones are divided into 5 for crop production. Land cultivation is the first stage of land preparation. For microorganism activity are for this microorganism activity are increased. There is a proverb of Khana about land preparation, of which meaning radish cultivation requires 16 plowings to make soil friable. Question A. What is soil? Question B. Explain. Fish feed quality depends on FCR value. Question C. According to stem, write down 5 stem. According to stem, write down 5 zone. Name and describe soil characteristics any one of that zone. Question D. Evaluate the importance of land cultivation on the above proverb to Khona's significance? The answer of question A, soil is a medium where crops and forests are grown and where livestock roam. Question B, fish quality depends on FCR value. FCR means food conservation ratio, can be defined as ratio of feed supply and the body growth of the animal after feed consumption. With FCR, the utilization of fish feed by the fishes can be calculated. The value of FCR is always greater than 1. If it is greater than 2, then the fish production cannot become profitable, as it means wastage of feed and lowered quality of pond water. The lower the value of the FCR, the better the quality of fish feed, meaning more production using less feed. That's why it can be said that the quality of fish feed depends on FCR value. Question C. According to STEM, write down 5 zone name and describe soil characteristics of any one of the zone. The five regions mentioned in the STEM are loamy and silt loam soil, clay soil region, buried track and Madhupur track, hilly and predominant region and coastal region. Description of loamy and silty loam soil region is given below. The nature of the soil is loamy and silt loamy. High to medium lands are included in the soil region. Quantity of organic content in the soil is from low to medium. pH level of soil is from 5.2 to 6.2. On the other hand, amount of organic content of silt loamy soil is very low. Soil pH level is 4.9 to 6.1. Question D. Khona's proverb is radish cultivation requires 16 plowings to make soil friable. WDICI expresses the importance of tillage. Tillage refers to the mechanical manipulation of uppermost surface soil so that seeds can germinate and crops can grow properly. From Khona's proverb, it can be said that number of tillage depends on nature of crops. For cultivation of radish, land should be tilled 16 times, whereas for cotton 8 tills are needed. For paddy cultivation 4 times is sufficient. On the other hand, jute cultivation doesn't need any tilling of soil. Tillage is the first activity of land preparation. Due to tillage, seeds can be placed in appropriate depth and place for germination. Airflow in soil can also be ensured. Good tillage can make land flat and tight, reducing wastage of water and soil erosion during irrigation and while raining. Tillage sends the surface soil underneath and vice versa. This brings to the surface different harmful insects like ants, which are then eaten by birds. Sunlight also destroys these insects. Tillage also helps in increasing the productiveness of the microorganism. Thus, it could be said that the number of tillage depends on nature of crops. Land tillage improves the structure of soil, increases soil fertility, and creates a convenient environment for germination of seeds. Thanks for watching this video.